These 14 book and document glossary templates, available in both Microsoft Word and Apple Pages, are designed to help you customize your projects, whether it's a document, paper, or a book. They make it easier for your readers to understand your content. What's included? 14 glossary templates that are fully customizable for Apple Pages and Microsoft Word. Each template includes all letters using sample computer and science terms and definitions for reference. It is easy to customize the glossary styles. Simply update the main letter, term, or definition styles in one place, and the changes will apply throughout the document. To update the styles in Apple Pages, select the term, definition, or main letter you want to modify. Change the font, size, or color as you like. Click the Update option next to the style name to apply changes throughout the document. To update the styles in Microsoft Word, open the Styles pane and choose the style you want to update: main letter, term, or definition. Select Modify Style, make your changes, and click OK to apply updates across the document. If you make a change you don't like, simply use Command+Z on Mac or Control+Z on Windows to undo. To help you choose the right template, a summary worksheet is included. Here you can quickly tell the setup of each glossary, whether it is using table formatting, text boxes, or word processing. Whether it is easy to sort the glossary, what is the design type, which fonts are used for the main letter, terms and definitions, and the accent colors applied. Of course, you can customize all the templates, but it gives you an idea of which glossary would be best fit and a good starting point for your project. Thanks so much!